Yo, this wig is giving. Who y'all know can rock a headband wig? Who y'all know? Okay. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, welcome back to my channel. So as you see in today's title, today I'm going to be doing a wig install, and this is not just an ordinary wig. This is a Amazon headband wig. I'm going to do something that was glueless, easy to put on because I'm not too big on wigs. So before we get into this video, please give it a like, to comment, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications because I have videos uploading on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, let's get into the video. Alright, so let me tell you what the wig included. So this is the bag, and the bag says Knee Fly On Wigs. So this is obviously the company, but I did purchase this off of Amazon. And you know, cute little saving bag. When you open up the bag, it's going to have a headband. So they gave one brown headband. And then they're gonna give you another like silk scarf headband that you can do different like ties. It's a multifunctional seamless wear headband, and then it's gonna give you this little brochure or whatever, and it tells you that if you email them you can win some free prizes or something like that. So here's the part where everyone is invested in the actual wig. I'm gonna admit I did take this out before, but this is a Brazilian headband wig, 16 inches water wave. It is 100% natural color, 150, not even 100%, 150% natural color, okay? So, I'm gonna take it out. Okay, I'm taking the head thing off, and this is the wig. So, it is very, 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 very soft. Like, when I'm telling y'all, this wig is just so soft to touch. Like, just running your fingers through it, there's like no tangles, no shedding. It's just like 100% soft. That is really what I really liked about the wig, is that how soft it is. So before I put the wig on, I'm actually going to tend to my real hair, and I did buy a wig cap. This one does not come with a wig cap, so if you don't have one, then you don't have to have one, but I just bought one. But I have a wig cap that I'm gonna put on, and this is probably all self-explanatory, even though I've never put on a wig cap before. But the idea that I have is just putting my hair back into some type of style, and then just putting the wig cap on. So I'm just gonna clip my hair in the back. I would suggest to be more, I guess, professional than me, because this is probably just a janky way to put on a wig cap. I'm using hair clips, I'm not even using bobby pins, so you know I'm doing it wrong. And the bobby pin fell. And the bobby pin fell. I'm gonna put a little bit of it on my hair. If I'm looking down, y'all, I'm in the bathroom looking at the mirror, so I want to have my edges to show. Alright, y'all. This might be janky, but we're gonna do my edges. Please don't judge me for my edges, because when I tell y'all, I don't really know how to put them on anyway. Girl, we just gonna stuff it in. So wig cap is on as best as it's gonna be. it is on. Now we are going to put the wig on. All right, so I did a little work behind the scenes to get this wig together, or to get the cap part together, because I was struggling in the beginning. Y'all, this is so simple and so easy. All right, you guys, so I have the wig on. I'm not really like a wig expert, so I'm pretty sure I did this right. I mean, it was just literally putting it on your head. Simple instructions. I don't think I should be putting the wig on, only because I had to look in the mirror and see if I was doing it right, but I kind of like it. It's kind of growing on me. So I'm gonna try it on with the band that I have. What do y'all think? It's pretty obvious with the black band, so let's see if we put on another band. This wig is not it is not secure, honey, so not the headband flying away, y'all. I think there's extra things to make the wig secure, and I just don't have those on, because there is a clip to make the wig secure. Oh, this is cute. Okay, I see. Okay, we're just gonna have like this for a moment for the camera. I think it looks pretty good. Trying to have my glasses on at the same time. So this is what it looks like right now, and I haven't really done much to the wig. You can probably still see the black band. So this is the headband that they gave me, and I'm not too sure I like it because it doesn't really cover the entire headband like I thought it was going to, like the black headband. So, but I think it's growing on me. I really do think it is. I don't really like poofy hair, so what I'm gonna do, and I love to experiment, I am going to wet this hair and see how well it takes water, because this hair can take water. It can be bleached, it can be dyed. You can really do anything to this wig, and that is something that I really did like about it. So what y'all see me doing right now is just wetting it, and I'm trying to see how well it's gonna take water. Cause like, remember, these are wigs, y'all. But I think it's look pretty good. Hold on, it's giving me that. It is giving me that curl pattern. Like, look at the difference of like this side, the stuff that I wet first, compared to this. Hold on, y'all, cause I'm not going out in public with this wig on. Don't play. They do suggest on Amazon that you do not wet the wig and then brush it. I think that really messes up. They do say use your fingers, and there is no shedding. Oh, there's a little bit shed actually, if y'all can see that. It's really minimal, maybe like a couple strands of shedding. So this is with both sides wet, and it's looking pretty good. I'm gonna get the top too. And also the back. Y'all, this is giving. This looks so cute. I'm in love with this wig because it really held water well. I did have some mousse. I'm only gonna put a little bit in it. If you want to have that extra like wet look and define your curls, then I would do either like a moisturizer. It looks so much better than what I put it on. And it really helped water and it really helped this gel or this mousse really well. Alright guys, so I put on this pink headband that I bought from the beauty supply store, and this is giving, this is really giving for me. This is just so cute. Oh my gosh. And please just wait until I give you all the price of this wig, because compared to others, it really wasn't that much. So just wait until I give you like a price. Cause baby, this wig is really giving. This was literally the exact wet look I was trying to envision and put together, and I wanted it to achieve this look, and it really did. I'm in love with this wig, y'all. In love with this wig. Alright you guys, so this is the final look of the wig. Please don't mind my eyebrows. They're just literally a hot mess. But this is the final look of the wig. I just put on a top really fast. But I am loving this wig. Please get into the details. Get into the details. Oh my gosh, y'all. I look bad, bro. Like, who messed with me in a headband wig? In a headband wig though? But would y'all know? No. This is giving. This is really giving for me. And I can put it in a bun. I got bang time. Yes. Yes, 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 yes. Period. Ellisa babes, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like, don't forget to comment and subscribe. Turn on post notifications so I have videos uploading on Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And with that, thanks for watching, Ellisa babes.